Welcome to the TDSB Speech-Language Pathology Tips for Parents series. In this video, we focus on providing you with 5 strategies to help support your child's vocabulary development. Vocabulary, the words we understand and use, are important for both our spoken interactions and when we read and write. Strong vocabulary skills are important for social-emotional well-being. If a child doesn't have the words to make their wants and needs known, it can lead to feelings of frustration and sadness. Oral vocabulary is needed for academic success in many areas, such as participating in class discussions and understanding what you read. Here are 5 tips to support your child's vocabulary development at home or anywhere you happen to be. Label actions when you are engaged in activities with your child, not just during playtime, but in other everyday activities as well, such as going to the bus stop or making something in the kitchen. Label objects so your child learns the names of things. But don't stop there. It's helpful to describe the objects and explain how they are the same or different from each other. A chair is for one person to sit on, and a sofa can fit 2 or 3. It's important to make associations between words so your child understands why certain words go together. For example, a slide and swings are toys they play on at a park. Teaching words with opposite meanings, antonyms, or words that mean the same thing or almost the same thing is a good strategy. It helps your child store the word efficiently and makes it easier for them to retrieve and use. Teaching categories helps your child understand words better. They can file the words away more efficiently for easier recall. You can teach categories during everyday activities. When reading a story or on a trip to the zoo, talk about different categories of animals. When you are grocery shopping, you can categorize foods. Location and sequence words are important too, as understanding these words will help your child follow instructions at home and at school. Location words include words like under and behind. Time and sequence words include before, after, and first, second, last. Learning these words can be fun, especially if you practice them in games like Find the Object or Simon Says. Talk about words you encounter in books. It's okay to stop reading and take a moment to explain what a word means. Define the word in child-friendly language that they can understand. Children learn words when they hear them again and again. You can also use the word in different situations to help them understand it even better. If you have any questions about these strategies, talk to your school speech-language pathologist. For more communication tips, feel free to check out our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts. Here is a quick summary of the 5 strategies discussed in the video. Label and describe action words and objects. Explain how words are the same or different from each other. Explain why words go together. Include antonyms, words that mean the opposite of each other, and synonyms, word that means the same thing. Teach categories of words, for example, types of animals, food, or furniture. Practice location and sequence words such as behind and beside, and first and last. Talk about words you read in books. Define the words in child-friendly language and use them in different situations. To access more parent videos in this series, contact your school speech-language pathologist. You can also connect through our various social media, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.